what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily import products from Shein to Shopify. So first, head over to chromewebstore.google.com, and from here we're just going to search for Pokey, then press enter, and from the list of apps, we're just going to choose Pokey Shopify Product Importer. Just click on this and click on Add to Chrome. From here, we're just going to add extension. And from here, all you have to do is click on the Pokey extension and you will be asked to log into your Pokey account for you to be able to use this app with Shopify. Also, just a reminder that Pokey is a paid app, so you're going to need to complete your Pokey subscription for you to be able to enjoy the feature. So once everything is set, all you have to do is head over to Shein, and from here, just look for the specific product that you want to import. Then in the product page, you can now start clicking on extensions, then just click on Pokey. And the last thing you may want to do is click on import product. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!